What is up, you guys? Reese back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use Tinkercad. Now, I use Tinkercad a lot. In fact, for everything. I don't use AutoCAD or anything. I don't like to open programs. I like everything I do to be on the internet. So that's why Tinkercad is a great solution. And if you're not using it, you should start. Now, sure, it's not super professional. Like, you're not gonna, if you're doing something that you're trying to, make a boatload of money off of, it's very, very important. Probably not the best tool, but gets everything done for what I need to do, and I'm sure it'll get stuff done for what you need to do if you're watching this video. So I'll show you some of the stuff that I made. And this isn't nearly as intricate as some of the other stuff that I made, but this was some 3D models for a 3D display that I made. In fact, I have the 3D print right here. So here's the 3D print of this. Okay, very smooth. And I'm just going to show you some tips and tools on how to use this effectively. So here we go. You can see fans and sensors, chips. So let's go ahead and create a new file. So now I don't know about you guys, but I like to use everything in millimeters or metric, not imperial. So it's already going to be in millimeters. When you're first starting out, I'm going to move this over here, guys. You can leave it at 1 just to get used to everything. But I recommend that as you slowly progress, go down to 0.5 or even 0.25. I stick at 0.5. Don't really go to 0.1 unless you absolutely need to. You're just going to throw yourself off and not get some clean lines. So we drag a box out here. The box is 20 by 20 automatically. Now there's a few things you can do with this box. You can hold down Shift and you can drag one of the corners in. You'll change every single dimension. Or of course you can just change the size of it with dragging nothing, click to it. To move around the screen, you can use your right clicker on your mouse and go like that. And if you click down on your scroll bar, you can actually move around, and you can zoom in with your scroll bar as well. So here we have this, and let's take a, let's squish it out here. Okay, now let's drag out a cylinder. We'll go ahead and use Shift to pull that down. This arrow here moves it up. Pretty common sense. Now, if I wanted to group these things together, one thing you'll notice is it changes the color to one of these things. And to group them together, you can just select them all, or you can hit this and then hold Shift and click the other one. And then you can hit Control G, or you can hit this button right up here, which is blue. Now you'll see it changed to red, but it's now all one design here. We can rotate this. If you hold down Shift, you'll get exact angles, and if you just go regular, if you stay in towards the middle more, you'll be about a 15-degree change, and if you go out, I think 12.5 degree, I'm not sure. But yeah, so you can rotate it like that. One thing is when you rotate it, you'll see that when you expand it more, you're not expanding it vertically like the coordinate system is going with you. You're expanding the whole shape kind of weirdly. So a cool thing that you'll need to do eventually is, maybe I need to take a little dent out of this. Okay, so you put this here, or whatever you want to use. And if I needed to cut a hole here to, say, put a block through if I'm 3D printing this, you're just going to hit this and then click whatever objects that you're wanting to make a hole through, and then just group it. And as you can see, there was where my thing was, and now it actually took that out of the object. These are all still the same piece. So really, with that basic knowledge, just 5-minute video, I promise you can create a lot of cool things. Using the snap grid to your advantage, knowing how to use these boxes, that you can group them together with other stuff. And yeah, and I don't want to make this video long. It doesn't need to be long. You can copy and paste with Control C, Control V like any other program in the world. And when you want to make a 3D printed file, you just hit export and you make an STL. And OBJ is good for exporting into Unity if you want to make a game, and you also get colors with that. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you use Tinkercad. If you really need to know more, I can help you out, but this is kind of like the main stuff that will get you to like the project that I just showed you before this. So thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.